Imagine creating professional videos without cameras, crews, or editing skills. Just pure AI magic. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. With Whisk AI and MagicLight AI, stunning videos are only a few clicks away. Your secret weapons for producing high-quality content faster than ever. First on our list is Whisk AI. Let's go to Google and search for Whisk AI, then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. Whisk AI is a new experimental tool from Google where we can create some real magic. Here are different examples that people have created using Whisk, and yes, it's completely free. Now click on Enter Tool. This is the main dashboard of Whisk. On the left side of the canvas, we can add a subject. We can either type in some text or upload an image based on our need. We can also enter a scene in text form, and it will generate a picture accordingly. We can choose a style for our image or video. You can even add text to your uploaded image. Now click on Aspect Ratio. From here, we can choose the size according to our need. For this demo, we'll select 9:16. Next, click on Settings. Here we can enable Use Seed to unlock more creative variety. We can also choose a specific model for the image. Once everything is ready, type this prompt in the bar. A man and his wife on top of a mountain, looking at each other, then press Enter. It will take a few seconds to generate the image, so be patient. Now our images are ready. We can see two different versions and select one according to our preference. We can animate the image, refine it, delete, like, download, or share it with the world. Click on Download. After the download is complete, let's open and enjoy the magical image we created using Whisk AI. Wow, amazing. The image looks like a real photograph. That's the beauty of Whisk. Now let's create one more image. Click on Aspect Ratio, and for this demo, we'll select 16:9 landscape format. You can also tweak the settings as needed. Now type or paste your new prompt and press Enter. Wait a few seconds, and once ready, you'll see another beautiful image in the screen. Select one you like. You can also refine it if needed. Now click on Animate. In the animation prompt bar, type a prompt to bring your image to life. For this demo, I'll enter, then press Enter. It will take a few seconds to animate. Be patient. Now our animated video is ready. Let's play it and see the magic we created using Whisk. Wow, amazing. With Whisk, we can create such high-quality animated videos for free. To download, just click on Download and choose the format, like animated GIF. I'll click on Download, and once it's complete, let's play it. Just look at that, an animated video made from a single image. Incredible. This feels even more powerful than Google's VO3 model. Let's make one more animated video. Paste your new prompt into the bar and press Enter. Wait a few seconds while the image generates. Once it's ready, you'll see a beautiful result. Wow, the image looks like it was taken in a real park. You can animate it, refine it, delete it, download it, or share it. Let's animate it. Click on Animate, then type a prompt. I'll go with looking at each other and talking, and press Enter. Now the animated version will generate. Just wait a few seconds, and here it is. Let's play the animation we just created using Whisk AI. Wow, awesome. You can see how easily we created these high-quality animated videos, and it's completely free. Click Download again to save it to your device. Once the download finishes, open it and see the final result. A professional-level animated video made with just text and one image. Second on our list is MagicLight AI. First, go to Google and search for MagicLight.ai. Hit Enter and you'll land on the official website of the tool. Here you'll see what makes MagicLight AI stand out. Unlike most tools that can only generate short clips, usually around 5 to 8 seconds, MagicLight lets you create videos up to 30 minutes long. And that's not all. This tool allows you to create and use consistent characters throughout your entire video. You can even design your own custom character and bring it to life with voiceovers. MagicLight also supports multilingual videos in 10+ languages and 30+ emotional voice styles, perfect for creators looking to reach a global audience. To get started, click on Start for free. You can log in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll receive 300 free credits instantly. Since I've already upgraded to the Pro plan, you'll see my higher credit balance here. Now let's explore the dashboard. Scroll down and you'll see options to create either a story to video or build your video using custom characters. So here you can see the trending templates feature. What does this mean? These are pre-designed video templates based on viral video styles that are currently popular. You can scroll through and see how many views each of these templates has gotten. Want to make something similar? Just click on the Use Template button under any video you like. Once you click, you'll see detailed information about the characters used in that video. The best part? You don't have to use the exact same ones. You can simply tweak the characters a little bit, make some light changes to the story or script, and voila, you've got a fresh, unique video built off a proven viral format. But for now, let's set templates aside. I'll walk you through how to make a video entirely from scratch, using your own story, characters, and creative direction. There are two main script modes: Smart Script and Basic Script. Smart Script helps you turn even vague ideas into a detailed video script automatically. But since I've already written my script using ChatGPT, I'll paste it here directly. After pasting your script, choose the video duration, anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes. For this demo, I'll select 3 minutes. Next, pick your aspect ratio. I'll go with landscape and choose a Disney-style animation look for my video. Then, click Next. MagicLight will now analyze your script. In my case, it generated 39 scenes, which will result in a video that's about 3 minutes and 15 seconds long. Once you're satisfied, click Next. Now it's time to cast your characters. Click on AutoCast. MagicLight will automatically assign characters to each scene based on your script. So, the AutoCast feature has selected characters for all the roles in the story. But I want to make a few manual changes. For the princess, I prefer a different look. So I've flagged the current character, and I'm selecting a new one from the list. Much better. Next, for the painter character, I want someone with a more artistic vibe. After browsing the available options, I've found one that fits the role perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the character selection, click Next. Now, you'll see all the generated images for your scenes. These are the illustrations that will be animated shortly. At this stage, you can preview the voiceover.
A breathtaking aerial view reveals Atlantis, a gleaming utopian city with golden domes and crystal towers.
If you like it, great. But if not, you can easily change the voice style or language from the voiceover panel. You also have the option to add sound effects to individual scenes for a more immersive feel. And if any scene doesn't look quite right, just hit Regenerate to refresh that scene. Now it's time to animate. Click on the Animation tab, and you'll see several animation models available. You can hover over each model to see a preview of what your video will look like. I'll go with this one. It fits my story's tone really well. Then, click on Animate All and hit Confirm. The tool will now animate all your scenes. In my case, it's 39 scenes, and you'll see the credit cost displayed before you proceed. Click Confirm, and the animation process will begin. This may take a couple of minutes, but trust me, the results are absolutely worth the wait. Once it's done, your scenes will be fully animated. You can preview them one by one to ensure everything looks perfect. If you notice any issue, you can go back and adjust specific scenes or reanimate as needed. Now let's move to the final touches. Click Next, and you'll find options for cover image, subtitles, background music. For this demo, I'll keep subtitles and cover disabled and choose none for music. Click on Generate, and now it's time to set the final video export options. Aspect ratio, I'll go with 16:9. Resolution, let's keep it at 1080p for a crisp and clear finish. Hit OK, and MagicLight will begin rendering your final video. And it's done. You can now click the play button and preview your complete video.
Beyond the reach of time, there stood a kingdom, wealthy, perfect. Atlantis stands as a beacon of civilization, untouched by the ravages of time. In the grand throne room, King Thaler sits high upon his golden throne, his gaze cold and unforgiving. The cries of poor villagers fill the hall as they are mercilessly whipped below. Tax collectors, bloated with greed, count their spoils, their eyes gleaming with avarice. But its ruler, King Thalor, was cruel. He favored the rich and crushed the poor. The stark contrast between the king's opulence and the villagers' suffering highlights the kingdom's injustice. His daughter, Princess Aurelia, lived in a golden cage, beautiful, yet bound by duty. She remains there, a princess imprisoned by her gilded existence, her gaze lost in the endless expanse of the sea. One day, a poor painter named Kyle was summoned to paint her royal portrait. Kyle steps further into the palace, his sketchbook held firmly. Each step echoes with the weight of his unexpected honor. The palace awaits, grand and imposing, as Kale advances. His destiny is about to change forever. In the grand palace, Kale's focus shifts from his art, his eyes rising from the canvas. Across the room, Aurelia returns his gaze, her expression mirroring his surprise. An unspoken spark ignites between them, a silent acknowledgement passing in the air. Their eyes meet. Something changed. The palace fades into background. Inside the palace, Kale's concentration deepens as he paints, his eyes reflecting intense focus. Their eyes meet, a fleeting moment of connection, igniting a silent, unspoken dialogue. Each session brought them closer hearts, speaking louder than words. The air crackles with unspoken connection, as their bond deepens with each brushstroke and pose. Under the cloak of night, Aurelia and Kale seek solace in the palace garden. Fireflies dance around them, weaving a tapestry of magic in the air as they meet in secret. They began meeting in secret, hiding their love beneath moonlit trees. The garden, bathed in soft light, becomes their sanctuary, a place where their forbidden love can blossom unseen. Beneath the watchful eyes of the moonlit trees, their clandestine meetings deepen.
I used MagicLight to create this amazing video. If you want to create long, high-quality videos with consistent characters and scenes, try out these amazing AI tools for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Also, share what you'd like me to review next. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tech updates.